Hello! In this video, we will show you what to do if the power button has turned orange. After making 300 coffees, the power button will turn orange, letting you know it's time to descale. We recommend you perform the descaling process. Watch our video, How to Descale Your Jovia. If you think that your machine does not need descaling, switch it off. Then, press the power button for at least 5 seconds until it blinks orange. Now, press the power button again to switch off the machine. Next time you turn it on, the power button will be green. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Jovia.